What problem are you passionate about solving? Every successful business was once in your shoes. Let's get you online and thriving. Imagine the excitement of reaching customers far and wide beyond your local area. E-commerce is booming and there's room for everyone. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital products, or unique services, the online marketplace is vast and inclusive. From tiny startups to big brands, everyone's making their mark online. Success stories are everywhere, and yours could be next. First things first, you need a digital storefront. This is your virtual shop where customers can browse and buy your products. No need for bricks and mortar here. A digital storefront saves on overhead costs and allows for greater flexibility. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce make it a breeze to sell online. They offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful tools to manage your business. Imagine this: your products are available 24/7 and they're easily discoverable from anywhere in the world. Sounds good, right? This means you can make sales even while you sleep. Don't let the big players intimidate you. Every business has its unique value, and customers are always looking for something special. Even small businesses grow into big businesses on this platform. Your business will grow too, with time and effort. Learn, adapt, and keep going. The e-commerce landscape is always evolving, and staying updated is key to success. With advancements in technology, the benefits of e-commerce are skyrocketing for both businesses and customers. From enhanced user experiences to streamlined operations, the impact is profound and far-reaching. For businesses, tech solutions like AI-powered chatbots, personalized recommendations, and automated inventory management are revolutionizing the way we sell online. These tools not only improve efficiency, but also enhance customer satisfaction by providing instant support and tailored shopping experiences. Automated inventory management systems ensure that stock levels are always optimal, reducing the risk of overstocking or stockouts. This leads to better resource management and cost savings, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy bottom line. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, helping your customers 24/7. This is not just a dream, but a reality with AI-driven virtual assistants. They can handle inquiries, process orders, and even provide personalized recommendations based on customer behavior. That's the power of AI in e-commerce. It's like having a super efficient employee who never takes a break, ensuring that your customers always have a positive experience. Customers, on the other hand, enjoy a seamless shopping experience with features like one-click purchases, mobile wallets, and augmented reality try-ons. These innovations make shopping more convenient and enjoyable, encouraging repeat business and customer loyalty. Yes, you heard that right. Try before you buy, from the comfort of your home. Augmented reality allows customers to visualize products in their own environment, whether it's trying on clothes or seeing how furniture fits in their living room. Speaking of mobile, the rise of mobile commerce, or m-commerce, cannot be ignored, with smartphones becoming an integral part of our lives. More people are shopping on their phones than ever before. This means optimizing your online store for mobile is crucial. A mobile-friendly website ensures that your customers have a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience, no matter what device they use. Think about it, your store in the palm of every potential customer's hand. Incredible, right? This accessibility can significantly boost your sales and expand your customer base. But let's not forget, the e-commerce space is highly competitive. With so many options available, customers can easily switch to another store if they're not satisfied with their experience. So, how do you stand out? Focus on exceptional customer service, unique product offerings, and a user-friendly website. These elements can set you apart from the competition and create a loyal customer base. Exceptional customer service is key. Make sure your customers feel valued and heard. Quick response times, personalized interactions, and efficient problem resolution can make a huge difference. Leverage social media and influencer partnerships to get your brand noticed. Influencers can help you reach a wider audience and build trust with potential customers. Remember, technology is your ally in this journey. Embrace the latest tools and trends to stay ahead of the curve and continuously improve your business operations. Embrace it and watch your online store thrive. Keep track of your performance metrics and use data analytics to make informed decisions that drive growth and success. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of e-commerce. Keep pushing forward, entrepreneur. Until next time, stay innovative and keep exploring new ways to enhance your e-commerce business. The future is bright and the possibilities are endless.